Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the rectangle command in SolidWorks. So let's start. Let's go to the new, then a pop-up will come up and I have to click on part. Then I will show all the planes. And let's go to the sketch. Now here comes the next command, which is rectangle. And here are certain types of rectangle, like we have corner rectangle, center rectangle, 3-point rectangle, 3-point center rectangle, and parallelogram. Now let's check one by one all these different types of rectangle. Now let's come to the very first one, which is corner rectangle. So here you can see in the corner rectangle you have to give the corner points like 1 and 2. In the case of center rectangle, you have to first determine the center and then the corner point. In the case of 3-point corner rectangle, you have to give 3 points like 1, 2, 3, and these all 3 are corner points. In the case of 3-point center rectangle, you have to give a center and then the corner points. And in the case of parallelogram, it will make a parallelogram like this. So let's start drawing the very first rectangle, which is the corner rectangle. So here you can see the icon is also coming along with the mouse. So now I have to just make the rectangle like this. Just do the one click here and then leave the mouse and then do the second click here. So in this way you will get the rectangle, which is corner rectangle. Now we will have the demonstration regarding the center rectangle. In the case of center rectangle, you can see I have did the one click. Now I have to do the second click somewhere here. So from this point to this point, this is the center rectangle. Now we have the 3-point corner rectangle. In this, we have to give the 3 points regarding the corners. First corner, second corner, and here comes the third corner. So in this way, we can make the 3-point corner rectangle. Now here comes the 3-point center rectangle. In the case of 3-point center rectangle, first we have to determine the center like this, and now second point is regarding the midpoint. Like I have clicked here for the center point, then a midpoint. Now along with the symmetry of that midpoint, it will ask you for the width. So this is the width, which is the third point. Now in the case of parallelogram, it is somehow similar to the 3-point rectangle, but we have a angle here like this. But in the case of 3-point rectangle, we can move only like this. So this is the difference between the parallelogram and 3-point corner rectangle. So this completes the tutorial of the rectangle command. Now in case you want to give the dimensions, so for the dimensions I am going to hide the top along with right plane. Now just zoom to fit. The shortcut for zoom to fit. Now just zoom to fit. The shortcut for zoom to fit is F. If you hover your mouse on any of the icon, it will also give you the details regarding the name of the command along with the shortcut. Like the shortcut is in bracket of F, like the shortcut is in bracket. So to give the dimension, you have to just go to the smart dimension and you can start giving the dimensions like this. Just click on the right tick and then we can give the dimensions like this. So in this way, we can give the dimensions to our rectangles which we have drawn in the graphics window. Well, this is all regarding the rectangle, like how we can draw the rectangle using the corner rectangles, center rectangle, 3-point corner, 3-point center, and parallelogram. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of this very useful command, which is rectangle. That's it for this video. Keep learning and keep sharing. Thank you.